Welcome children. Today's topic is multiplication table of 10. Look into the board children. Here you can see the picture of grapes. So let's count the number of grapes in the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is one group of 10 grapes. So how will we write? 1 times 10 is 10. In the second box you can see two groups of 10 grapes each. So how will we write? 2 times 10 is 20. And in the third box you can see three groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write it as 3 times 10 is 30. And in the fourth box you can see four groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write 4 times 10 is 40. In the fifth box you can see 5 groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write 5 times 10 is 50. In the sixth box you can see 6 groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write it as 6 times 10 is 60. And in the seventh box you can see 7 groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write it as 7 times 10 is 70. In the eighth box you can see 8 groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write it as 8 times 10 is 80. In the ninth box you can see 9 groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write it as 9 times 10 is 90. And in the last box, that is the 10th box, you can see 10 groups of 10 grapes each. So we will write it as 10 times 10 is 100. Is it clear to you all? Now let's read the multiplication table of 10. This is the multiplication table of 10. Let's read the multiplication table of 10. 1 times 10 is equal to 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. 7 times 10 is equal to 70. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. 9 times 10 is equal to 90. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So this is the multiplication table of 10. You have to read and study the multiplication table. After reading, write in a notebook and practice. And after that, after studying the tables only, you should do the worksheet. And what you have to do? You have written the tables in a chart paper, no? So the tables of 10 also and 10 also you have to write in the chart paper and read it every day. Every day read all the tables. Now you have studied the tables of 1, 2, 5 and 10. You should practice these tables every day. Otherwise you will forget. If you know the tables only, you will be able to do the questions. Now we will do some questions. Read the question. Find the product. What is the first question? 6 times 10. What is 6 times 10? 6 times 10 is 60. Next question is 3 times 10. 3 times 10 is 30. Next question is 8 times 10. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. Last question 2 times 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Okay. So the tables of 10 is very easy, practice it. Now next question is complete the multiplication wheel. Children look here, this looks like the shape of a wheel, isn't it? Here you can see number 10 is written in the middle. You have to multiply these numbers with the 10 and write the answer in the outside box. Understand? So you have to multiply these numbers with the 10, that is you have to do the tables of 10. So the first we will do from here, from number 0. 0 times 10. What is 0 times 10? When you multiply a number with 0, answer is always 0. So what is 0 times 10? 0 times 10 is 0. That you have to write in the outer box. Next is 4 times 10. What is 4 times 10? 4 times 10 is 40. Next is 2 times 10. What is 2 times 10? 2 times 10 is 20. 7 times 10. What is 7 times 10? 7 times 10 is 70. 9 times 10. 9 times 10 is 90. 1 times 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 3 times 10. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50. So this is how we do the multiplication wheel. Okay. So now you have studied the tables of 1, 2, 5 and 10. Read it every day and study well. Okay. After studying only you should do the worksheet. That's all for today's class. Thank you.